Hey guys, it's Sage. I have something very exciting to show you guys. I'm gonna turn my camera around and show you. I bought my first car. It is a Triumph Spitfire 1500 and I absolutely love it. It is so adorable. Hi guys, it is the next morning, March 26th, and it already snowed. And I didn't know it was gonna snow. I didn't think it was going to. And I don't have a cover for it yet, and we didn't have the garage empty for it yet. So, it already snowed on it. So I don't know if you can see, but some snow did get in onto the seats. It blew through because of the gaps in the windows. We'll go over some of the issues later, but I just wanted to come check on it real fast. And it's not as bad as I was thinking, so that's good. Hi guys, okay, I'm all dripped out in my snow gear. It snowed more, it's been snowing for the past few hours, but we cleaned out the garage. I'm going to show you where we're going to be working on it. Okay, this is the garage. It's not perfect, but we're going to be working on it in there. Hope you can see me. This is the other Triumph. Now we're creating a family, but yeah. Okay, so we got it in the garage. This is with the hood or the bonnet open. It opens like this, which is really interesting. It's really cool. And we got it to fit in here. Other Triumph. It's open. It did get a bunch of snow in here, which sucks. But we're gonna vacuum it out right now before it melts because it's still very cold out. And yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. Hey guys, okay, it is another very chilly day, but it looks sunny, so it doesn't look that cold. But we're just taking a look at the car, and I'm going to show you guys some of the issues with it that we're going to fix, so we can go through them and fix them together. Okay, so first things first, it's just like is dirty and it has fingerprints, but that's not an issue at all. The first thing is that when you turn the car on and the doors are closed, it beeps, which we're not sure why, but it could correlate to some of the other things that I will tell you about after. The next thing is the housing for these lights is just kind of crumbling. The lights work totally fine, it's all good, but it is a little loose just because it's crumbling. So I just need to get a new housing for these two, just the back ones. In the trunk, the plastic like seal or gasket sort of that seals it, sort of like these like black parts here, is crumbling the same as these. So I just have to get a new seal around the trunk. And then the next thing, I'm gonna open it up and show you. Oh, well, here's another one. The speaker, it works, it's just on the floor. It just needs to be screwed back up. We still have the screws, it just needs to be put back up there. There is a fasten belt sign, but the electrical for it, let me see if I can find it for you. It's back here, and it got like cut when someone moved the seat. So basically here, wait, is there a mirror here? No, there's no mirrors in these ones. Oh, there is. I'll talk to you like this. This is so old. Basically that wire got cut, so this fasten belt thing doesn't light up, which we think is a problem of the beeping, because like it usually beeps when you don't have your belts buckled up, and if it doesn't have that mechanism working and like the cord is cut, then that probably has something to do with it. Also, the hazard button, this lights up, but the hazards don't work on the car. So you can't, like, when you flip the switch to turn on the hazards, nothing happens. So that I'm gonna need to fix before I get it safetied, because obviously that's a serious thing. But I've talked to some people who have worked on these cars before, and it seems like it's just like an electrical thing. There's no actual like mechanical problem with it. It's just like that there's a loose cord or a loose wire. So that's should be super easy to fix, and it might be correlated to the fasten belts one that's cut, which should be easy enough to fix. And then the next thing is that this little emblem here, what used to be here before, let me see if I can get it for you, is this oil pressure gauge. It used to go in that hole, but the last person took it out and put this emblem instead to make it look cute. but this still functions, but it just doesn't have a place, so it's just shoved up here. There's like a little pocket. But yeah, so I might put that back. Who knows? Maybe I'll put it somewhere else. The next thing is the radio. It works, but sometimes it doesn't work. It's like just whenever it's in the mood to work. So I'm not going to try and figure it out now, but that's just should be a simple electrical thing. But basically, there's not that much. Like, for a 1973, it's actually in really good condition, and those are the only things. There's no problem with the engine, there's no problem with transmission, there's no problem with anything, like, serious. No problem with the brakes or anything. I don't need new tires. So, yeah, I'm actually pretty lucky, and we're gonna work on those. And there's a few other little things that I might end up doing, like getting, you know, a new backing for this, and maybe painting the car eventually. Maybe working on the chrome. Those are all little things, like cosmetic fixes, but with like the mechanical problems, that's it. So really not that bad.
Okay, let's go. Gas, more gas, more gas. Okay, make sure you're steering.
Yeah.
Gonna clutch in, second, quickly. Gas. Okay, clutch in and brake. Neutral. Okay, good. You don't have to brake that fast.
Hey guys, I'm learning how to drive my new car, so I'm gonna try and get to third gear and then reverse. Wish me luck. What happened?
So you stalled the engine. Let's try again.
So I just stalled it, so we're gonna try again. Oh, I have to turn it on.
Give it some gas.
Wait.
Get the code.
Oh my god. Okay.
Hold on. Stop. Get your brakes on.
Oh my god. Okay. I need to focus.
Okay, so you're gonna clutch in.
Yep.
First gear, give some gas. Let off the clutch. Yep. Go, go, go. Then clutch in, put in second gear, straight down. Great. So go straight now, clutch in. Try and find third. Good, go, drive.
Drive where?
And brake.
We didn't die. Okay guys, it is now April 12th, so it's been a while. And we're taking it in for a safety today, but there's a few things that we wanted to look at and check out first. So I'm going to show you some of those things. Okay, the first thing is that there is an oil gauge here that looks like it was taken out when they put this little badging in. So what we're going to do is, first of all, there's like loose stuff here, and there's a light bulb that looks like it's like burnt out. But it goes in here and it probably lights up this. So we're gonna have to mount that here so we can look at it, because that's important to know. Also, there's a bunch of loose and like cut wires back here. So there is a blue one and a red one. And basically when you touch them, it makes like a buzzing noise when the doors open. So let's see if I can find them. Okay, so the doors open, and when these two, since they're both open when they touch, it makes that noise. But when the door is closed, look, when you touch them, nothing happens. So that means that something is probably up in the door with the wiring. So we had to figure out what those are to and what's going on. Okay, the next problem is these wires here. This one is cut completely, and this one is totally crimped, so that's not gonna work. We believe it's for the fasten belt sign, so basically when you don't have your seatbelt clicked in, this little guy lights up, but it doesn't, and that would also explain the beeping in the door, because something's off, and you know, they think that your belts are not on, but they are, because we're safe. So basically we're gonna do a little repair job, and we're gonna try and put these two wires and connect them, and hopefully that solves the problem. So wish me luck. So I have my pink butt connector here, and I have my electrical stripper tool. And basically what I'm gonna do is I already stripped these two ends, so we're gonna be able to connect them together using this butt connector. But this one is pre-crimped, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it on each end, just so we have a, you know, good connection. Okay guys, so we finished cutting and stripping them both, and then we attached them to the butt connectors. I ended up needing to call for some help because it was pretty difficult. But anyways, all good now. So I'm gonna connect this to this back part, and hopefully, ta-da, it's all good now. Okay guys, so we are taking the car to the safety now, but because we fixed that wire, the door doesn't beep when we turn on the car now, so success. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. Thanks for coming along with me while I learned how to drive and I showed it to you. The car is currently still at the shop getting a safety done, but it sounds like everything is totally good. So this is definitely going to be a series. You guys are going to come along with me as we work on this car for a while. So in the next one, I'll let you know what the results of the safety were and any work that we're going to start doing. See you guys next time. Bye!